Did you know that there are certain things in your bedroom that could be attracting poverty, bad luck into your life? In these eye-opening, very powerful videos today, I'm going to reveal 7 items that you should remove from your bedroom right away to bring more abundance and positive energy into your life. Welcome to my channel. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. Today we're going to talk about the power of our surroundings and how they can impact our lives. Your bedroom is a space where you should spend a significant amount of time. So it is essential to ensure that it is filled with positive energy. Unfortunately, there are some common items that people keep in their bedrooms, okay, without realizing the negative influence that they can have on their finances and overall well-being. But don't worry, after watching this video, you will know exactly what to eliminate from your bedroom for a fresh start towards prosperity, favor, and success. So let's dive deep right now. Okay, there are 7 items that you should remove from your bedroom to attract positive energy and avoid bad luck and poverty. These items are these. You can write this down, or you can always refer back to this video so that you know essentially what you need in this video. Okay, I mean, what these items are, things that you have to get rid of. Okay, these are the items. I will also give you a bonus. Okay, so they include broken mirrors, spider webs and cobwebs, dried leaves, leaking taps, spoiled and broken items, bats, and black objects. So it is believed that these items, they attract negative energy, they attract bad luck, they invite evil into your life, they open you up to evil projection, and they hinder your prosperity. So I advise you to remove or repair any item, okay, to create clean and positive environment. Okay, now these 7 major items should be removed from your bedroom to attract good luck and positive energy. The first item is broken mirror. Maybe right now in your house you have broken mirror. Do you know what broken mirror signifies? What does it signifies? Do you know? Please write it in the comment section. Let me know what you think a broken mirror is. But for me, broken mirror signifies a broken and unlucky life. Okay, when something is broken, okay, you get unlucky. Let's say you have a mirror now, a mirror that is nice, that is intact, and all of a sudden it just falls down and it breaks, right? So now that's very unlucky right there. So when that something like that breaks, okay, in the spiritual realm, it signifies a broken and unlucky life. And that's why for now, if you're somebody that has a broken mirror in your house, check your life to see how your life is. Is it better? Are you getting unlucky? Does it look like you're sounding like a broken record every single time? Does it look like your life is broken and you don't even know how to repair it? If you are one right now, please remove these items from your bedroom. Remove it from your house. When I talk about your environment is your bedroom. Your environment is your, I mean, every area, every space in your house, in your room, right? So please get rid of it and you will see how positivity will return back into your life. You will start to progress and everything would look normal again. The next one is spider webs and cobwebs. Spider webs and cobwebs. You know, when you check your house right now, you may see spider webs, you may see cobwebs. Maybe you are somebody that don't really tidy your room, okay, as they should. You don't do it as a routine. So these are the things that needs to be removed from your life. What do you know what spider webs and cobweb, do you know what they represent? Do you know what they represent? Please write it in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking about spider webs. What it signifies in the spiritual realm. Not just by merely you looking at them with your physical eyes, but in the spiritual realm, what do you think they represent? Please write that in the comment section. Let me know. But for me, they represent an unfortunate and stagnant life. Unfortunate and stagnant life. Wow. So I'm advising you that you should remove them right now. The presence of cobwebs in your house, it indicates stunted growth, hardship, and poverty. Okay? Now, check your life right now. Your life does it look like your life is stunted? Does it look like you are going through lack of progress at this time? Does it look like you are going through hardship? Does it look like you are going through poverty right now? Do you have any financial freedom at this time? Or are you always piling up debt and debt upon debt? Whatever it is you're going through, please put that in the comment section. Let me know what you're going through right now. And if you have a cobweb in your house at this time, or you have a spider web in your house, put it in the comment section. Let me know. And make sure right away, just right now as you're watching this video, make sure you remove all of them. Tidy all the room and say a very, very powerful prayer to remove all of these evil projections from your life. Another thing I'm talking about is dried leaves. Okay, dried leaves signifies, what do you think it is? I always want to hear from you because we're in this together. Okay, it's one thing for you to know, okay, do something about it and do something about it. But if you don't know what they really mean, right, you may not really understand the significance of what I'm teaching you right now. But what do you think dry leaf signifies? If you know what it is, please write it in the comment section. Let me know. Do you have dry leaves in your house, in your front yard, in your backyard right now? Okay. Do you have a dry leaf in your room? Maybe you have a potted plant, a house plant in your house right now that has dry leaves. What do you think they signifies? Please write it down in the comment section. For me, they signifies a lack of growth, a lack of vitality. So they should be removed. Because these things, especially for example, dry leaves, they are believed to attract negative energy. They are believed to hinder prosperity. So I advise you to get rid of them for a more positive and prosperous environment. After doing that, you will start to see changes in your life. You will start to experience prosperity, favor, blessings. Everything will start to fall in place for you. So now I want to discuss discuss the negative significance. Okay, let's talk more about having a dry leaf in your house. If you have a dry leaf in your bedroom, in your house, okay, a dry leaf symbolizes financial debt. Okay, you'll see that you start piling out debt. Money will be coming, but you wouldn't even understand how this money is going. A dry leaf also signifies spiritual debt. Spiritual debt, as it represents a lack of growth and vitality. So I want to advise you to remove dry leaves to avoid attracting bad luck and financial dryness into your life. Okay, I also want to mention the importance of repairing a leaky tap. Okay, if you have a leaky tap in your house, you have a tap but it looks like it's leaky, please, I really want you to fix it. Fix it. If you can't fix it, make sure you buy a new one. Okay, you get what I'm saying? Make sure you do something about it. Do you know what a leaky tap? Do you know what it signifies? What does it signify? If you know what it is, please write it down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. In the spiritual realm, what does it mean? For me, a leaky tap, when your tap is leaking, it represents a financial leakage. It represents wasteful spending. A situation where you have money, but it looks like the money is just going. Money doesn't stay in your hand. Okay, money goes in, comes into your hand, but before you know it, you spend them on unnecessary things. You spend them on wasteful things. You unnecessarily just spend something, and later on you begin to be, to be depressed, to complain of lack of money. You complain of debt and all of that stuff. So please, I really want you to get rid of leaky tap. Get it fixed. If you can't fix it, get a new one. You get what I'm saying? So I also want to advise you, okay, you have to get rid of spoiled and broken items in your house. What are the broken items that you have? Broken glass, broken plate, broken spoon, broken pots, whatever it is that is broken electronics, all of these things in your house. What do you think they signifies? What do you think they signifies? If you know what they signifies, please write it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about them. All right. They signifies bad luck. They signifies ill luck. They signifies poor luck. Okay. And they hinder your progress. So the last thing that I want to warn you about is bats. Bats, these nocturnal animals that that sees at night, flies on the tree. Okay, so I really want you to make sure you are careful about this. So having bath and black objects in your bedroom, they attract negative energy, they attract bad luck. So please, I want you to remove black objects from your house, from your bedroom, because they are believed to attract negative energy and they bring about ill fate. So I also want to advise against having too many black or dark objects in your bedroom or throughout your house, as they represent darkness. Okay, they represent darkness and money. Okay, you don't want to man anybody. Okay, you don't want your life to represent darkness. No. Okay, additionally, as a bonus, if you have anything that is loose, like loose wire, broken and worn out objects, okay, please, they should be removed or they should be repaired. So to create a clean and positive environment that can attract good energy, that can attract blessings, that can attract favor, that can attract all the good things of life into your life, that can make sure that you're able to manifest everything that you wanted back into your life. So those are the items, the 7 items and bonuses that I felt, that I believe if you remove them from your house, from your bedroom, they will bring positive energy. They will avoid bad luck. You will attract everything that you want. Again, these items are broken mirrors, spider webs, cobwebs, dried leaves, leaky taps, spoiled and broken items, bats, and black objects. So thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, you learn a new thing, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video. And next thing you want to do, that I believe is the next important thing to do, is to watch these videos over there. It will definitely change your life. It will definitely bring prosperity, love, money, and everything that you desire into your life. Thank you so much for watching. My name remains Precious, and this is Precious Spiritual TV. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye.